Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Netflix account suspended. So let's just get straight into the video. There are a couple of ways you can try to fix a suspended Netflix account. The first being updating your payment information. So try to log into your Netflix on a browser, visit the account page and update your payment method. If you have any previous payment issues pending, then resolve them. So ensure your card has enough funds, hasn't expired, and allows recurring payments, and check for bank declines. Also, if you have a membership and previously tried to cancel it, use the restart membership button on the account page, which should fix your problem. But that is about it. Also, be aware of emails claiming suspension that ask for personal information. Always check your account directly at netflix.com. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.